Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how the annotations and blur features work on the Trupeer platform. Let's get started. In the menu bar, you'll find an Elements tab. Clicking on it reveals options like adding a rectangle, a circle, or a blur. These tools are perfect for highlighting key screen areas. For instance, if I need to emphasize important details such as the date, salesperson, and region in my dataset, I select the rectangle and position it accordingly. Once annotated, it's simple to focus on a specific area of the screen using these annotations. The same goes for using a circle. Let's take a look. You can adjust the size with the 4 circular white handles at the corners. If some data needs to remain private, like entering a password or hiding a link temporarily, these tools are helpful. For this, we use the blur tool, which is easily adjustable. To quickly conceal a spreadsheet link, for example, the blur feature comes in handy. A key aspect is controlling how long these elements remain on the screen, which is done via the timeline, allowing you to determine their duration. Once configured, the rectangle will appear for the selected duration as you play the video, disappearing when the time is up. Similarly, using the blur feature, if a password or link needs to stay hidden throughout the video, you can extend the blur to cover the entire duration. That's a wrap on the annotations and blur features of our platform. Thank you for watching.